Hello, my name is Jessica Allen and I'm an assistant professor at Eastern Washington University in the biology department. My specialty is lichens, and so today I'm going to show you where to find lichens, talk a little bit about what lichens are, and show you some of the common species you can find around here. So lichens are symbiotic organisms. They're composed of a fungus and an alga living together. And so in this relationship, the fungus makes most of the structure of the lichen and the algae photosynthesize and make food for the fungus. My best tip for viewing lichens is to get a jeweler's loupe or a hand lens. These are only a couple of dollars. And when you look at lichens through hand lenses, they are even more beautiful and you can see all sorts of details that you can't without them. Now, these are not just for good lichen viewing, but they also help you take pictures of lichens as well. So when you upload your observations to iNaturalist, if you can use a hand lens to take a photo, it will be easier to identify it. And so to do that, you just take your hand lens and you can hold it over the camera on your cell phone and get your lichen in focus that way. Lichens come in three main growth forms: crustose, fructose, and foliose. So I will show you all three of those really quickly here. So first, fructose lichens, like the wolf lichen, which you're probably very familiar with around here. This is a fructose lichen. It's sort of shrubby and bushy. Foliose lichens are leaf-like. So we can take the example of Hypogymnia physodes, a tube lichen here. This is a great foliose lichen. You can see it has a gray upper surface and a black lower surface. The third growth form is Crestos. These are lichens that are completely stuck to whatever they're growing on. So a great example of this would be the map lichen, Rhizocarpon geographicum, which you can see here on this rock. And indeed, if you look closely, there are a bunch of species of crustose lichens growing on this rock. And if you look a little bit farther down, here we have another example of a foliose lichen. This is a green rock shield in the genus Xanthoparmelia. There are hundreds of lichen species in the Spokane area, and I hope you have a great time looking for them during the Bioblitz.